Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by identifying why the system resets automatically. Check scheduled tasks, updates, power events, and battery thresholds. Once done, gather admin credentials and create one backup image to external storage so you can restore if needed. Make sure to record the device model, firmware version, and recent app installs. This helps narrow fixes. You act now on facts, don't guess. If you find an update or task scheduled, leave it paused while you continue. Next, you disable the obvious triggers. Turn off automatic updates and pause scheduled tasks that run at restart times. Then adjust power management settings, set sleep and hibernate to longer intervals, raise battery cutoff thresholds, and disable auto restart on power loss. If a recent app or update correlates with resets, uninstall it or roll back to a prior version. This often fixes instability. Once applied, reboot once manually and monitor for recurrence. Keep your backup handy in case you need it. Finally, you finalize changes methodically. Re-enable features one at a time and test stability after each change so you know what caused the reset. If resets persist, inspect system logs and crash dumps or run vendor diagnostics to identify failing drivers or hardware. Make sure to boot into safe mode or a clean boot environment to isolate software conflicts. This is the fastest troubleshooting trick. If nothing works, restore your backup and contact support with logs. Keep notes of each step you tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.